It's nice to see the sun out at last in Strasbourg and of course in Wales, to show that the spring is coming, the weather's getting a bit better, and it gives us more hope too that we are discussing creating new jobs, investing more in the economy, trying to build a better future now, not only in Wales of course, but in the whole of Europe. And we've been talking about all these billions that are going to be invested in the economy. But there's one thing about that that's very worrying for us in Wales, and that is that money is being taken away from other funds that will put money into research, the kind of money that our universities draw down to develop their projects, and also Connecting Europe, which is the name of a project which funds things like broadband connections as well as transport links. So I've been working here this week to try and ensure that the money that the Commission does put aside for investing in these valuable projects doesn't get taken away from the research money and the other money that we need in Wales. We've also been talking about the safety of our roads, about preventing massive lorries from being able to cross borders and use not only our motorways but also our roads. Now, we've got enough problems with our roads in Wales, with the M4 and the A55 and a lot of the road network around mid-Wales. We want a much better road system, of course. We want to be able to travel easily around Wales, and we also need investment in the railways. We want our railways electrified so we get the very best service for our passengers, like countries in the rest of Europe get as well. Those are all issues that Europe can help us with, and I'm working with my colleagues in other countries to make sure that the rules that we adopt here and the funding that we develop here will offer the very best for Wales.